Struggling to add an About Us page in Hostinger? I will show you exactly where to click to get it done in under 5 minutes. First, we will open the Page Manager, then add a pre-built About page, customize the slug, and save it live. Alright, so let us start by actually navigating to your site inside the Hostinger website builder. This is the main dashboard where you design everything. Just make sure you are on the page that says something like Single Appointment, or whatever your site name is. You are looking for the builder interface itself. Now open the Layers panel. Look over on the left-hand side of the screen. You will see an icon that looks like a stack of papers or layers. That is your page and section navigator. Just give that a single click. So from the Layers panel, you want to click on Add Page. It is usually right at the top or near the top of that menu. This is where you can bring in a brand new page to your website. Now here is the fun part. You are going to choose the About template. Hostinger has some really nice pre-designed pages, and the About page is one of them. Just click on the option that says About. This gives you a solid starting point, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Once the About page loads in your editor, you will see some default content on it. One of the first sections is probably called Get to Know Us. Go ahead and click on that section. This selects the whole block so you can work with it. Now click on Get to Know Us a second time. The first click selected the block. This second click actually dives into the text so you can edit it. You will see a cursor appear, which means you are ready to type. Next, you want to highlight the text you want to change. Maybe it says Get to Know Us, but you want it to say Meet the Team or Our Story. Just click and drag your mouse over that text to highlight it. Then go ahead and type whatever you want it to say. Now let us talk about the page URL. This is really important for a clean, professional link. You want to click on URL slug. It is usually in the settings panel on the right side of the screen once your page is selected. The slug is basically the end of your web address, like yoursite.com/whatever. So now, highlight the slug field to edit it. Just click into that field and select the text that is already there. You want this to be clean and simple. I usually type something like About Us with a hyphen between the words. No spaces, no capital letters. Just keep it simple. Once you have the text changed and the slug set, you want to click on Save. This locks in all the changes you just made. Do not skip this step, or all that work will just disappear. Now look at the top right area of your screen. You want to highlight the Publish area. There should be a button that says Publish or Update. Depending on your site status, you may need to click it once. And for the final highlight, just confirm that everything looks good. Maybe click Publish one more time if it asks for confirmation. That is it. Your new About Us page is now live with a clean URL, and there you go. You went from being totally stuck trying to find that menu to having a professional About page published on your site. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.